નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello students, now to continue our chapter, the chapter number 12 and exercise 12.2. Exercise 12.2 is related to proportion. So let's start our first question. Determine the following are in proportion. Let's check. This one is proportion or not. So if anyone in proportions, it means ratio are same, it means these two is in proportion, otherwise not proportion. So here 15, 45, 14, 120. So let's check pair of first two and the pair of the second two. To find the ratio, so first two ratio 15 by 45 and the second two ratio is equal to 40 by 120. फर्स्ट दो का रेशियो फाइंड करो और उसके बाद सेकंड दो का रेशियो फाइंड करो. देन आफ्टर वी हैव टू चेक द रेशियो आर सेम और नॉट. सो द 15 3 जा, इट मींस हियर आंसर इज 1/3. 4 4 कट, 4 3 जा, इट मींस हियर आंसर आल्सो फॉर द 1/3. इट मींस सेम रेशियो वी हैव टू फाइंड. इट मींस राइट डाउन हियर वी हैव टू राइट 15 45 and 40 is to 120 is in proportion. So this one is my first question answer. 15 is to 45 and 40 is to 120 is in proportion. Why? Because same ratio in these two, that's why this one in proportion. Let's check the second one. So first of all we have to find the ratio. So 33 by 121 and the next one the ratio 9 by 96. Here is 11 multiplied by 3. You have to cut 11 multiplied by 11. 11 cut, so 3 by 11. You have to cut here. So here is the 3 3s are 9. You have to cut here 32 3s are 3 3 cut, then answer is 3 by 32. So dear students, this one is the same ratio? No, this one is not in same ratio. Why? Because here is a 3 is to 11 and is a 3 is to 32. Ratio is not same. It means 33 is to 121 and 9 is to 96 is not proportion. Is not in proportion. Okay, now understand the first two. Then after the next questions, again we have to find the ratio is equal to 24 by 28 first two, and then after we have to find the ratio is equal to 36 by 48. Okay, now 24 by 28, so 12 2s are, here is the 14 2s are, 2 2 cut, 12 by 14, this one is also for the cut. 12 it means 6 by 2 and 14 it means 7. So our answer is 6 by 7. Okay, it means 6 is to 7. So first question ratio is equal to 6 is to 7, it means 6 by 7. Let's check second question. Here is directly 12 multiplied by 3, 12 multiplied by 4, 12 cut, answer 3 by 4. So dear students, let's check the same ratio or not. So no, ratio is not same. It means 24 is to 28 and 36 is to 48 is not proportion. Is not in proportion or is not proportion. We have to write. Why? Because ratio is different. That's why this two is not in proportion. Next questions. D. Find the ratio 32 by 48. 16 2s are, 16 3s are, 16 cut, 2 by 3. Again we have to find the ratio. right? 70 by 210, 0 0 cut, the 7 3s are, here is remaining 1 and 3. So in this one is the ratio 2 by 3 and here is the ratio is 1 by 3. So same ratio? No, not the same ratio. It means it's in proportion, not in a proportion. So write down 32 is to 48 and 70 is to 210 is not in proportion. Not in proportion. Why? Because ratio is different. If the ratio are same, that's why this is in proportion. Otherwise, not in proportion. So 4 question is completed. So understand the first 4 questions. Okay. Now the next question, 5th one. 4, 6, 8 and 12. So let's check the ratio. So first of all, in the first 2, it means 4 by 6. Here is to cut 2 2s are and this one is cut 2 3s are. 2 2 cut, it means 2 by 3. Second, 8 by 12. So here is 4 2s are. This one is 4 3s are. 4 4 cut, answer is 2 by 3. So see dear students, both the ratios are same. 2 by 3, 2 by 3. It means 2 is to 3, 2 is to 3. So here is in proportion or not? Yes. Why? Because ratio are same. It means this one is in proportion. So write down 4 is to 6 and 8 is to 12 is in proportion. Is in proportion. Why? Because the ratio are same. That's why this is in proportion. Next questions and the last questions. Same ratio 33 by 45. We have to cut. So 11 3s are, 11 4s are, 3 3 cut. It means 3 by 4. Second 2 numbers we have to find the ratio is equal to 75 by 100. Here to cut it means 25 3s are 75. Here is to cut it means 25 4s are 100. 25 and 25 cut. So our answer is 3 by 4. So see dear students, here also for the ratio is same. 3 by 4, 3 by 4 is means 3 is to 4, 3 is to 4. Same ratio is means relation is in proportion. So write down 33 is to 44 and 75 is to 100 is in proportion. Is in proportion. So understand students, if given any questions, we have to find the given one is in proportion or not. If the ratios are same, it means proportion. If the ratio is different, it means not in proportion. So understand exercise 12.2 and the first questions. Okay.
Thank you for joining us.